Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen News. This is the Egyptian kitchen. Today we go make chicken bane, but we make it a little bit different because I make it with the chicken thigh. Let me show you the recipe and how you make it. And this is tastes very nice and also more tasty. Like that I make it with the thigh. Okay, let me show you the recipe. First thing, I already buy thigh chicken. This is you need. After that I make it fillet. I take all the bones out and all the skin out. And also you need to have oil. You need to have, I did here something like 200 gram flour. And this, how I say it, yeah, this is bread crumbs, like this one. This, the bag. You can find this if you in Europe, yeah, you can find this in any supermarket. And oil, this is normal oil, and also you need to have pan. And also you need to have eggs. Okay, I go already cut everything. And I bake again for you. Okay, after already I make it fillet. You can see with me here. Look here. This is look like that. And also this is this all the bones and also sometimes people have a difficult can already make it like that you can already buy the chicken fillet normally in a butcher. Okay, and after you already make it like that, you need with the knife and start do it like that. I know sure the noise now very high in a video, and this is you make it like that. You not make it very thick, yeah. You make it a little bit thin. Because when we go make it, this is also inside. You can cook this nice. Okay, because the noise after already I finish this all, we come back. Okay. We already now make everything. Okay, we start already do it. First thing, this is the egg, and this the white flour, and this the bread. We have empty plate. First we do this inside the egg like that. And after that, go in the bread like that. This is too easy. And also if you already try to make it, This is not difficult. And after we do it in the flour, nice. Take it inside the egg again, like that. And after that, go here like that. I hope you can see everything nice. And after that, you take it like that and leave it in this one. Okay, we make another one. Do it first in the egg. This inside the eggs. After that, we go here like that. Go easy, easy peasy. Okay, and after that we go again in the eggs, and after that go up here. This is the part. I have it with my hand. You can do it like that because we cover it nice. Okay. Okay, I finish all the bانيه here, and I already make one plate ready with tissue in it because after I fries I can do it here. Okay, now we go make it bانيه. I already make the oil pot already. This is medium fire, yeah. This is not high fire, it's medium. You see, it's medium, not too high, but like that. And also I get a small part inside, very small part, because I can check the temperature inside. Now I think this is done. Now we can start go do it like that. I already make one by one because I use a small pan. If you have more bigger pan, but this also take more oil inside. This is not make any smoke if you not do the fire high. If you make it high, you see a lot of smoke and a lot of everything. And I start turn it. Also, how you know this done? You have with you hook and do it like that. Yes. A little holes in it, because also this is go with you a little bit crunchy. It did not take long time in the fire. This is more than enough. You can take it out. Here, and we can take another one like this. Easy peasy. I make the fire very low, not very high, but low. Not medium. Okay, we now already done. We finished everything now. Bon appetit. Thank you very much because you watch my video, and I see you already with next dish. And please not forget to subscribe and like and the bell. And I see you next dish. Bye bye.